iSpyPen fans, my name is Morgan Vars and I'm the Director of Media and Branding. Today we are going to be unboxing two of our new products. So here we have the iSpyPen Pro Premium, which comes just like this, and then we also have the iSpyPen Pro Premium Bundle, which comes with the plug-and-play adapter. When you open it up, you'll notice that if you have already been a previous customer, normally it comes with a little baggie of a charger, but now our pens come with pre-installed memory. So if you remember, that little memory card that you have to insert into the pen is already pre-installed for you, so you don't need to worry about that. And another great thing is that as soon as you order it, it already comes pre-charged. And we also have the Pro Premium Bundle. And so the great thing about the bundle is that it comes with the plug-and-play adapter. And so the great thing about this is that if you take it out, you'll see that it can plug right into your smartphone. You can take out that small little memory card, insert it right into here, and already see the footage from your iSpyPen Pro Premium. So that's one of my favorite aspects of the new product and this bundle package that we have, is that you don't have to wait until you get home. You don't have to wait till you get back to the office to see what you're recording. You have it right at the convenience of your smartphone.